500 large radiation surface blackbody furnace, large effective radiation surface, good temperature field uniformity. Advanced temperature control technology ensures accurate setting and stability of temperature within the range, widely used in infrared thermal imaging testing, optics, scientific research, and other fields. Rapid cooling device can be configured according to user needs. The cooling rate is increased by 50%, and it only takes 30 minutes from 350 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. This device is magnetically attracted and easy to install and disassemble. Optional functions such as adjustable emissivity, program control, memory, communication, etc. can be customized as you need.